Well, as you can see, that was the second private plane we just now seen. Anyway, this is the second ultralight plane we've now seen anyway. This is now the Comco Ikarus C-42 FB80 we've just now seen this time anyway. Now, as you can see, this time is pardon me. As you can see, the registration this time is G-CLYA. We now see this time anyway. This is now the second ultralight plane we've now seen anyway. This is now the G-CLYA we now see this time anyway. So yeah, and yeah, basically this is the one that's based in Pamplef Airfield as well anyway. So as you can see, with that one, that's just took off. That's just took off from its base at Pamplef Airfield just around 11:50 AM this morning, just before around 12 PM anyway. Just before the 12 o'clock lunchtime kicks in anyway. So yeah, but as you can see with that one, that's been passed over Newquay anyway. That's passed over just towards Newquay anyway. As you can see, that passed over Newquay Airport anyway. As you can see, that's just flown over the top of Newquay Airport anyway. At 12 anyway. That was when at the time that it flew past over the top of Newquay Airport anyway. As you can see, just from here, he then turned right over towards bypass there anyway. Just as you can see, he was turning right just over north of past there anyway. And just from here, he then passed over Bodmin. As you can see, then passed over Bodmin. As before he then came into south. As you can see, this is where the route started from, as he was fleeing past over as he came into south of St Blaise. So this is where it came into anyway. As you can see, it flew past over St Blaise, and this is where, as you can see, it just did a loop just over on St Austell Bay anyway. This is where it did a loop over to just over St Austell Bay. By the looks of it, just over towards St Austell Bay. And then by the looks of it, he then came in for a low past over. As you can see, he did a low past over St Maurs anyway. And then just from here, this is where he saw it anyway, as he was coming towards Falmouth anyway. As he was coming past towards me, as if flew past Falmouth. And just you can see from here, he's flown here to around between 15 and, well, it's just flown here to about 1,575 feet, and then when he was going up, he was literally going up at 16,050 feet from here anyway. But hopefully he should be heading back to his base at Pamplef Airfield very soon, hopefully. So yeah, be heading back to his base at Pamplef Airfield. Should be heading back to his base at Pamplef Airfield very soon. Probably in a few minutes' time he should be heading back there, hopefully. Which looks like it's probably now heading back to possibly Pamplef Airfield right now anyway. So yeah, this is where he is at the moment. It's just now passing over St Day. So it looks like it's going back to his base at Pamplef Airfield right now by the looks of it. So yeah. Okay, so yep, thanks for watching. Bye bye.